Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. Today I, Muhammad Irfandini bin Faizal, would like to talk a topic about cancer. Do you ever have any siblings or relatives who face disease called cancer? If yes, what precaution you should take to treat this cancer from happen? And as a citizen, what are things you should do in daily lifestyles to prevent cancer from happen? Actually, what is cancer? Cancer is a disease in which our cell body divide continuously without control and then will contribute to the cancer cell. A lot of cancer cell will be resulted in the formation of tumor to be cancer. So today, I am going to talk about 3 ways to prevent cancer, which are eating a healthy diet, doing exercise regularly, and do not smoke. To start with, let me discuss the first main point, which is eating a healthy diet. The basic of healthy eating diet are actually quite straightforward and easy. You should concentrate more on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and make sure to take red meat in small portion. It's also important to cut back on bad fats such as saturated fat and choose healthy fats more often, like unsaturated fat. Taking a multivitamin like vitamin C and vitamin D every day is a great nutrition to our body. Make sure to make fruits and vegetables a part of your every meal. Put fruit on your cereals, and instead of red meat, make sure to choose chicken and fish. Choose dishes made with olive or canola oil, which are high in healthy fats. Cut back on fast food and store-bought snacks like cookies, which are high in bad fats. Thus, it is clear that eating a healthy diet also can prevent cancer. Next, let's take a look at the second main point, which is exercise regularly. You should spend at least 3 times per week on physical activity in order to fit our body. Make sure to count your physical activity too. You also can play outdoor games, as instance playing football, rugby, and basketball. In addition to help you control your weight, physical activity also may lower the possibility of getting cancer. This can minimize your risk for getting cancer. Be fun and choose the activity you enjoy the most. There are many things to do as exercise, like walking, jogging, and doing yoga. Do not forget to play active game with your kids regularly and go on family walks. You also can ride bike when the weather allows. Now, you know that the simple exercise also gives a big effect to our health. Let's continue by looking at the last way to prevent cancer, which is do not smoke. The percentage use of tobacco and nicotine in cigarettes has been caused to many types of cancer. Tobacco is also known as carcinogen. When you breathe in that smoke, the carcinogen will enter in your blood capillary and then damage your DNA in your cell body. This damaged cell body will divide uncontrollably and become cancer cell. It's never too late to quit. About 80% of all lung cancer is related to smoking. Non-smokers who are exposed to second-hand smoke, like anybody around the smokers, are also have higher risk for lung cancer and other respiratory condition. This is because they are exposed to smoke too. Do not smoke in the house or in car. If kids breathe in your smoke, they may have a higher risk of breathing problems and lung cancer. I hope by now all these 3 things will enlighten you about ways on how to prevent cancer, which are eating a healthy diet, doing exercise, and do not smoke. Apart from these three ways, there are many ways to prevent cancer in life. It is important to educate ourselves about cancer so that we, as a citizen, can prevent this situation from occur. Eli Moreno once said, "Cancer is just a chapter in our life and not the whole story." And the other quote I find is, "Don't wait for tomorrow when you can start today." So, let's start today, and thank you for lending your ears. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.